हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू आरोग्या फिजियो टिप्स। आपका आरोग्या फिजियो टिप्स में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आई होप आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया है और अगर नहीं किया है तो करिए और ये वीडियोस अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली से शेयर कीजिए टू विटनेस योर फिटनेस। आज हम डायस्टेसिस रेक्टाई के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट डायस्टेसिस रेक्टाई। नाउ ट्रांसवर्स एब्डोमिनस इज अ मसल राइट एट द सेंटर of your abdominal cavity. So there are obliques on the side. At the center there is rectus abdominis. And what happens when you become pregnant? तो ये separate होता है and there is a linea alba which makes space for the baby to come out. So it becomes like a leaf shape. So there is a separation between the left and right which is very evident. But once the child comes out also, ये गैप मेंटेन्ड रहता है और ये गैप अपने आप नहीं भरता है। इस गैप को बोलते हैं, इस कंडीशन को बोलते हैं डायस्टेसिस रेक्टाई। डायस्टेसिस रेक्टाई आपको कितना है ये आई थिंक यू शुड गो टू योर फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट और somebody who works with women fitness or your gynec and try to find out whether how much gap is there, whether 4-finger gap is there, 3-finger gap is there. And once you get a clean check from your physio or a gynec, you can start doing these exercises. First exercises can be umbrella breathing. Now this can be performed in standing, sitting as well as in lying down. We will demonstrate in lying down so that you can see it better. So both the hands on the abdomen, just below your rib, just below your rib. Yes, there. And you breathe in. Make sure when you breathe in, your abdomen expands and breathe out, your abdomen goes in. Now when you breathe in, you relax your pelvic floor muscle. When you breathe out, you contract your pelvic floor muscles. Yes. So you do Kegels along with umbrella breathing. Okay. So initiate your exhale with a Kegel. Empty out your low belly and then middle and finally the chest. Engaging your abdominal muscles. तो सबसे पहले नीचे जो लो बेली है उसको यूज करिए, एम्प्टी करिए, फिर मिड बेली को और फिर चेस्ट को। सो आपका एब्डोमिनल मसल इन्वॉल्व है, पेल्विक फ्लोर मसल इन्वॉल्व है और डायफ्राम इन्वॉल्व है इस एक्सरसाइज में। आप अराउंड 10 to 20 ब्रेथ्स आराम से करिए विथ कंप्लीट अटेंशन on your breathing and how your muscle is contracting. It is very very important to pay complete attention. So for the next position we come to crawl position. Crawl position. Yes. Now all of you must have done cow and camel, but in diastasis recti हम camel करते हैं, cow नहीं करते हैं। तो what we do is we don't do the cow position. We just breathe out, contract it, do Kegels and come back to neutral. Come back to neutral. That's all. Don't curve your back. Again, take it up. Yes. And come back to neutral. So, breathe in while you are neutral. Breathe out when you go. Breathe out. Yes. Breathe in, come back to neutral. Breathe out. And come back to neutral. So do it around 10 to 20 times. Next is hip bridging, which I think most of us know. So bring both the legs hip length apart. Hip length apart. Breathe in, up. Do it along with Kegels. Contract your pelvic floor muscles. Yes. Come on. Do it again. Hold it there for some time and come down. Now when you are doing exercise for diastasis recti, you have to constantly remind yourself that you have to tuck your back down and the curve should not be there. Okay. Now take one leg up. Okay. Hold it there for 5 seconds. Don't hold your breath. Keep breathing in and out. Inhale and bring it down. Exhale, take it up, take the alternate leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and bring it down. In none of the position you are holding the breath. Throughout you're breathing in and out. Throughout, your back is tucked in. So you will repeat it again 10 on each side. So next exercise is C curving. So for that, what you do is you can sit comfortably, okay. Now take your hands slightly back and slightly, yes, and there you hold it. So just above the knee you hold it and you bend your knee slightly, yes. And can you separate your legs as well, slight, yes. Don't allow your back to curve, yes. And you just rock yourself back in front. Staying back, exhale as you pulse back, following out your belly. Yes. Breathe in, breathe out is very important. 20 to 30 pulses is what you can target initially. Make sure that your back does not curve. That is very, very important. Next exercise what we are doing is a heel tap. Now what you do we will always start with umbrella breathing. हम हमेशा umbrella breathing से शुरू करेंगे, बाद में ही ये exercises करेंगे when the gap slightly becomes better. तो आप both leg bend है, आप दोनों पैरों को टेबल टॉप पोजीशन में लेके जाइए, yes. और अब क्या करिए, अपने heel को नीचे टच करिए and back, and heel को नीचे टच करिए और back. अभी इसमें आपके बैक में जो कर्व है उसको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करके रखिए, तो गैप नहीं होना चाहिए आपके बैक में, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इनहेल इनटू योर रिब केज एंड एक्सहेल एज यू टैप योर राइट फुट डाउन एंड ब्रिंग इट बैक and left foot down and bring it back. So inhale as you return to neutral and perform 10 repetition each side. Now next exercise, again we tuck our back in, so pelvis is in neutral, तो वो जो gap है वो between your back and the ground, that goes completely, and you bring one leg towards yourself and bring it back and to the other side and bring it back. So the same exercise we can also do with leg bend. So you bend both the legs, yes, and take the right leg and exhale, yes, inhale, exhale. Actually you need to inhale as you return to neutral. So exhale while you bring it towards yourself, exhale and inhale as you bring it to neutral, exhale and inhale as you bring it to neutral. 10 on each side. For the next exercise we come back to tabletop position again and both the hands up. Now breathe in, take alternate hands and leg out and breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Again do around 10 on each side and relax. So next is leg extension with weights and without weights. So initially start with without weight. तो शुरू में आप विदाउट वेट ये एक्सरसाइजेस करिए. आपको क्या करना है, एक लेग को स्ट्रेट कर लीजिए, दूसरा लेग बेंड ही रहने दीजिए. अगेन टक योर बैक इन, पेल्विस न्यूट्रल, ओके, एंड ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट, टेक योर लेग अप, ब्रिंग इट डाउन, ब्रीद आउट, अप and bring it back, up and bring it back. Now when you do it with weights, you need to do both at the coordination. So your hands go back and front and hands go back and front, okay. So one leg straight, tuck your back in and breathe out, bring your leg up and breathe in, come back, yes. Breathe out, bring your leg up breathe in, bring it back. We can do it on the other side as well. Can we bend this leg, the other leg, tuck your back in, flat on back with hip length apart, the foot is hip length apart. And now exhale, reach your leg on high and bring it back. Reach your hand. Now very important is when you do this, don't allow that arch to establish. So arch should never establish. Again 10 repetition on each side is good enough. So next exercise is bird and dog. Only when you are comfortable with all the exercises you should attempt this. So what we do is alternate hands and leg. We try elbow touching the knee. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Let's do it on the other side as well. So 10 on each side is what you can be expecting. You need to work on your core for this. Anyways, the whole diastasis recti is about strengthening your rectus abdominis, your transverse abdominis, and your diaphragm muscles, as well as a little bit of your lower abdominal muscles. So next, when you are comfortable with one single leg up, then you bring both the legs up in a tabletop position. Only when you are comfortable with single leg. And in this position you breathe in, breathe out, and you can use even weights. So breathe in, take the hands back just above the head, and breathe out, bring it down. Again conscious breath, and your back is tucked in all the. So back हमेशा tucked in रहेगा, back को छोड़िए मत, वो curvature को मतलब बनने मत दीजिए, वो घटा के रखिए, बैक हमेशा tucked in रखिए. Now when you are comfortable with this, what you can do is both the legs extension, so both leg extension, and do the same thing. So breathe in, take the hands back, breathe out, bring it down, breathe in, back. You may feel that how effective it is, but trust me, these exercises are very, very effective when it comes to diastasis recti. Next exercise, we come into tabletop position, both the legs up, 90 degree, and you can hold a towel, or you can even use a TheraBand or anything. You can just bring both your hands together. While you breathe out, take it out, exhale, pull out, and bring it in. Inhale, exhale, pull out. Again, very important is tucking your back, so your back will be tucked in all the position. बहुत सी औरतें ये सिंपल मिस्टेक करती हैं जब उनको पता चलता है कि वो डायस्टेसिस रेक्टाई से सफ़र कर रही हैं, तो दे स्टार्ट डूइंग फुल प्लैंक या फिर दे स्टार्ट डूइंग क्रंचेस. इन नन ऑफ दीज एक्सरसाइजेज वी डिड द क्रंचेस, सो नेवर एवर स्टार्ट विथ क्रंचेस. Okay, very, very important. And when you start with plank, you always start with side plank. Okay, और side plank भी आप full नहीं करते हैं, तो आप basically come to a side plank position. आप your shoulder and your elbow both stay on one line, and initially you take support, so the leg which is down stays straight, the leg which is up, you can take the support of that leg, and your hip you will take it up and down, and inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So it's 1, 2, 3. Now when you are comfortable doing that, what you do is you may separate both the legs. So one leg may be front, one leg at the back, whatever you are comfortable with, and separate both the legs and do the same thing. So breathe in, breathe out, in, out, in, out. And when you are comfortable with this as well, both the legs on top of each other, hands up, and you go up and down, up and down, up and down. And slowly you can start holding, once you're comfortable with this as well, say 20 repetition or 10 repetition, you start doing the side plank completely for 10-second hold. So you go up and you hold there, don't hold your breath. So you breathe in, breathe out consciously, and you can go down. So remember the do's and don't of diastasis recti. एक, आप plank से शुरू नहीं करेंगे, दूसरा आप crunches से शुरू नहीं करेंगे, तीसरा वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप ब्रेथ पे ध्यान दें. Fourth very important point is always tuck your back in so that the curvature flattens up. Fifth very important point is you will not hurry up. You will give yourself time and you will allow that gap to become lesser and lesser with the exercises. You need not start all at the same time. You can always start with breath and the basic exercise and go to the higher exercises. Generally diastasis recti means we strengthen our rectus abdominis, we strengthen our transverse abdominis, which is a deep seated muscle. We also do lot of diaphragm exercises and we do the pelvic floor exercises. So most of the exercises can combine with Kegels, so that's going to be really good. You can let us know your doubts and progression, and I hope that you recover faster. This is mainly for postpartum women, people who have just delivered. जिन्होंने भी अभी डिलीवर किया है वो ये एक्सरसाइजेज आफ्टर आस्किंग देयर फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट एंड गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. We are very thankful to Vidya for demonstrating these exercises for us, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe it and don't forget to ring the bell and witness your fitness with us.